The 2025 Audi 6 Rupees E-tron Avant is the pinnacle of electric performance vehicles, fusing state-of-the-art electric technology with the luxurious craftsmanship and innovative spirit that have come to define the Audi brand. With its remarkable blend of speed, range, and sustainability, this vehicle is poised to create a splash in the high-performance electric car industry. Its modern wagon style pays homage to the Avant line while meeting the needs of the expanding electric vehicle market. In the 6 Rupees E-tron Avant's undercarriage, you'll find the most recent electric powertrain technology developed by Audi. Thanks to its 2 motors, this AWD vehicle can match or exceed the performance of some of the most potent gas-powered models. It is a serious challenger in the electric sports car market, according to early estimations, with a 0-60 mph time of less than 4 seconds. With its adjustable suspension systems, the 6 Rupees E-tron Avant guarantees a lively driving experience no matter the conditions. With its impressive range, the 2025 6 Rupees E-tron Avant is sure to turn heads. Depending on the road conditions, Audi claims that this model may go more than 300 miles on a single charge because to its large capacity battery. In addition, it is compatible with ultra-fast charging stations, so drivers may recharge their vehicles quickly. This answers a major issue of consumers regarding electric vehicles by making the vehicle suitable for both city driving and lengthy road trips. The forceful yet exquisite appearance of the 6 Rupees E-tron Avant makes it stand out in terms of design. It has a futuristic yet instantly recognizable Audi appearance thanks to its broad stance, unique LED lighting, and iconic grille now closed off because an internal combustion engine isn't necessary. With its roomy cabin and large cargo area, the Avant body design is incredibly practical, making it great for both short trips and extended vacations. Audi has invested much in making the inside as plush and technologically advanced as possible. Featuring state-of-the-art in-car technology, the 2025 6 Rupees E-tron Avant showcases premium materials including leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. Standard on all Audi models are state-of-the-art driving aid systems, a computerized driver's cockpit, and the MMI touch response system. Thanks to its smooth smartphone integration, the infotainment system provides a plethora of connectivity options that elevate the driving experience. The 6 Rupees E-tron Avant places a premium on environmental friendliness as well. Beyond its emission-free electric engine, Audi has also worked to include sustainable materials into every step of the vehicle's manufacturing process. As part of the company's larger effort to lessen its influence on the environment, recycled materials are used in the car's upholstery and trimmings, among other parts. The 6 Rupees E-tron Avant's safety measures are in keeping with Audi's legacy of technological innovation and safety. Automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control are just a few of the cutting-edge driver aid features available on this vehicle. Drivers may rest easy knowing that the car is both fast and safe thanks to the integration of these cutting-edge features.
Thanks for watching.